Today I am going to share with you 10 teal and orange LUTs for Premiere Pro. Let me show you how to use these LUTs. Open Premiere Pro. Creating a new sequence. Taking full HD preset. Let's import some videos. Place video to the timeline. We can apply LUT directly to videos, or we can take the adjustment layer, place it at the top of the video clip and apply LUT to the adjustment layer. I am taking the adjustment layer. Place it like that. Go to Windows, select Lumetri Color. Go to the Look section in Creative tab. Select Browse and apply LUT. You can install LUTs so that you don't have to browse every time. Copy all LUT files. Go to this path and paste it into the Creative folder. I have already pasted it. You can explore all LUTs from here and apply it according to your need. Here you can see the difference. That's it. Thanks for watching.